Hey, we are back for part 2 of our Goodwill/Goodwill bin haul. Once again, I'm Dr. Kanisha Frazier, pharmacist by trade, reseller with eBay. eBay is my main bay at night. And like I mentioned before, my little secret is that I paid off $100,000 in pharmacy school student loans in 2017. So, budget, save, invest like a beast. So if you need help with something like that and you want to reach out, please look in the comment section for my email and my other contact info. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get started. Part 2, we've already done the shoes, undergarments, and purses. So now we're doing the coats and the rest of the clothes. Let's get going. Okay, I've got a bunch of things around me already, so I think I'm gonna just start with those. So we're gonna start with jean wear first. So American Eagle, I was like, okay, I am going to look for shorts. That's what people are wearing. So this was the freestanding, just regular Goodwill. This is American Eagle. I'm gonna try to remember to show you guys the things again, the labels, because I'm forgetting a little bit. Even better is here, American Eagle. But the nice part, exposed hem. They are distressed. So that is great. Those are American Eagle size 4. These are Torrid that I found today at the bins. Same exposed hem, totally distressed and destroyed. They are size 16 Torrid. Nice pair of jeans. If you can see that, that might be a little hard to see. Okay. Let's get to the jeans. Buried underneath this good pile right here. Oh, there's a top there too. Okay, so I phoned a friend. I'm always telling people at work, I'm like, you don't know the answer? Phone a friend, okay? I tell the nurses that too, but they don't seem to listen. But, so I phoned a friend about jeans because I found a few pair of American Eagle jeans and I'm like, which ones do I pick up? You know, skinny jean, flare jean, boot cut. She's like, I pick them all up. They all sell. I'm like, so these are 8 long American Eagle jeans. These ones are a flare. So if you can see that, a flare and a little distressing there, a little wash there as well. So a nice pair of jeans though, nonetheless. Great weekend jeans. These are also American Eagle. And actually those last pair had 2 buttons at the top. So those are a nice little added bonus. So American Eagle, these are skinny jeans. They are also a size 8. They're actually also a size 8 long. So they might have come from the same person. So you still have that distressing there and the wash, but they are a skinny jean. These do have a little fraying at the end, which could be from the wear or could be part of the jean, who only knows. You know, I'm realizing that you actually have to take a look at this area because that's what the thighs rub together. Sometimes you forget, and I've already had my circumstance where I forgot to check and the middle part was completely worn down. I found another pair, I think maybe they were Torrid jeans where I was like, oh, I'm gonna get these, but they were worn down in that thigh area. So moving on. One of the guys that I met today gave me this dry fit large, Nike dry fit large shirt, LSU. He was like, somebody will definitely buy that. See, I really want to say paraphernalia. That is not the right word. I cannot think of the word. What is the word? But you know, the college teams and I can't think of the word. It sounds kind of like that, but paraphernalia sounds like weed. Okay, so these are Under Armour pants, as you can see that all along the pants. They look super comfy. They're almost like a weird kind of scrub almost. But they're this pretty blue. You see that? It's pretty blue. 30/32. So maybe they are men's. And they're actually from July 2019, so they are recent. That is something I sometimes forget to do, but if you check on that inner tag, it'll show you what season it's from. Not all the time, but quite often you'll have an idea. So if it's in the last like 2 years, you're usually doing pretty well. Okay, we're gonna move along to the sweater slash jackets now. So this is another Express Sherpa that I found today. Although I don't even sell Express that well, so why did I pick this up? Because it was at the bins, okay? And everything I just showed you was at the bins too, except for those first American Eagle shorts. But I like this one because it also was different from my very first one. The very first one was like gray and white only, but this one had the, see that? And then have it around the neck as well, so it made it different. And like at the store at Express, this is literally like a $70 Sherpa. So yeah. Let's might as well go through the rest of the sweaters. This one, French Landry. I probably wouldn't have picked this up, but I really like the sweaters and the coats because they have a higher ASP. So the sweaters, the coats, the dresses, the shoes, you can easily, you know, you're going upwards of $25, $30, $35 in a coat, you know, could easily $50, $75, or if it's a Montclair or something like that, could be really hundreds and hundreds of dollars of profit. So anyways, this is a French Landry, size medium. I don't know if you guys can see that, but French Landry, or maybe you pronounce it laundry, but it's a blue and white stripes. I probably wouldn't normally, let's say, pick this up, but it was at the bins. So, cause like it has these both nice pockets, so it's like the sweaterish material. So it's kind of in between a t-shirt and a sweater. So like great fall wear. But you see that lace on the side and the pocket, so I thought it was really nice. And then the comps were pretty good for it, so I would say easily $25. This one was at the Sand and Goodwill. The brand is Pure. Oh, well, the last one was a medium, if I didn't say. The brand is Pure, hand knit, small / medium. It is 100% cotton. It's this beautiful seafoam green, but like, look at those arms and look at the waist there. And you can even see like the different transition of like textures and like tight knit to open knit. Like it's really nice. It's a nice sweater. And that heavier material brings in more cash flow, okay? Let's see. This Nike Thermofit with a hood. It is like a two-tone gray, full zip up with a, ew, there's tissue in there. Ew. Okay, yeah, we're gonna deal with that later, gross. Nike Thermofit zip up sweater. This was the regular Goodwill. This is a size medium, I believe. It is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get something to take that out. This is Claybrook Outdoors. It just looks super vintagey, to be honest with you. I found it and I was like, I like it. It is, and it's extra large, 100% cotton. And I did find, and actually I think I found someone had it listed. Someone sold it for $40. And I'm like, oh, I like that comp. But there was quite a few different patterns on there too. So I thought this was a great men's sweater. You know, that dark denim jean, nice tan dress shoe. Seems really nice. Oof. Okay. A few other things here. Armani Exchange. It's hard to say because sometimes things are not real, but you hope they're real. But I can't see why this wouldn't be. It was at the bins though, size small. And it has, I don't know what you do with this bow, where you put this bow at. Don't know. But it looks like a nice little crop jacket because cropped sweaters and jackets are really in. It's got those 3 buttons, so it's really cute. So I'm sure somebody will want it. this Kyodan. I know last time I had a Kyodan zip up. And so this is like a Kyodan, looks like just like a little exercise dress to me. It's a size medium, so I thought it was a pretty good size. And then when I found it some online, they sold for about $25 to $30. So I was happy with that as a average sale price. And this one is Rabbit Women. I struggled finding it, but it is a 24W. But it was like around 50% linen. And it was this beautiful burnt orange color. And it's long to the floor. And I'm like, you could really wear this with so many things. I'm like, it's in a great size, a great color, about 50% linen. I'm like, no, I didn't find it, but I'm like, my gut's telling me, I'm like, look, think about how pretty this would be over like a beautiful white dress or like a white tee, dark denim jeans, and like tan riding boots. Like lots of ways to make it beautiful. And I'm like, some things, like they always say, it doesn't have to have a brand name to be beautiful. Okay. Keeping it going. Thread and Supply. I liked it because of this Midwestern canvas on the back. That's really selling right now. At least for my research. This is Thread and Supply. I believe it was an extra small. It was probably difficult to see. But lots of double zipper pockets. You can see that. So thought it was pretty nice. And the comps really look pretty promising. About $30. So I was like, eh, and I actually found two. But the other one was not in great condition. This one, it's really like an older, more mature kind of jacket, but I really just thought it was nice. I went to a garage sale and the lady's mother had like, it was a red coat that had this nice soft feel to it like this. It's almost like a suede material. And I just, cause like, look at the buttons on it. They're like wooden buttons. Cause that's sometimes how I tell, like, I'm like, okay, well, what is it? And maybe they're not actually wooden, but they appear to be really nice. And I mean, I could be totally off par, but hey, it's like you're just getting started. So you truly just try to learn as you go. As you can see, it's called Gallery Woman. And when I looked it up, I think this was a 2X. Yeah, it's a 2X. And see, like, it's fully lined on the inside. And so I'm like, usually really great coats are fully lined on the inside. And I just thought this hunter green was so beautiful. And like you can see the back. But yeah, I might be totally clueless. But I might need to chill with buying the coats so much because they take up quite a bit of room. This one, a 3-season jacket. Extra large. But look, it has Tigger on it. And I'm like, it was like $12.99. But I'm like, when I looked it up, it's a coat that could easily sell for more than $100. So, have to try our hand, I guess. And it's hard not to go overboard sometimes, Lord knows. This one is Etam Weekend Romantic Forever. Honestly, I just thought it was a beautiful coat. It has like a little Sherpa on the inside. It's this beautiful like yellow and with gold flecks in it. Kind of pea coat with the hood. The size said 38, which I'm still thinking of exactly what size that is exactly. Because I don't know, when I look at it, I would probably say small, an extra small or small. Okay, just a few more. Under Armour. This was at the bins from today. And so full zip. Kind of like fallish to winterish jacket. What size is it? It is a loose. I'm almost forgetting what size it is. I think it's an extra large, And I think we just have one more item. Do this pretty quickly today. And this jacket is so heavy. I picked it up and I was like, really? Are you gonna really take this home? It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. It's so stinking heavy. Is that the thing? I don't even know. But it is free country. I'm about to say, I saw the thing somewhere else. But it is a free country jacket. It's so stinking heavy. So I'm like, we're not going to be picking these up all the time. I'm like, what size is this bad boy? But clearly, so it's an extra large. It's so stinking heavy because it has like all this garments for the rugged athletic lifestyle. Because it has like 12 linings on the inside of it. Look at it. It's so heavy I can barely even hold it up. I'm like, what kind of box am I going to ship this in? Ridiculous. My dad gave me a coat about this heavy. And I'm like, oh, Lord. But you can see it has full lining zipped in. Full lining. It is so heavy. It weighs more than I do. But anyways, the comps were good. And it'll probably sell for more than $50 once I figure out how to ship it. Okay. I think that is everything. So, oh, actually there's a wetsuit up there too. I'm not taking that down because I'll have to fold it back. So it is a full body wetsuit. I don't know if I showed you, I bought a wetsuit that was shorts. And so now they also had a wetsuit that was full body. Hopefully I can sell it. And I mean, I like the sporting goods area because, you know, I've already sold that Cabela's hunting vest. So I'm like, why not? Why not go for it? So I think that's it for now. So if you would, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be so great. We will be back next time. We're going to start to think about some different content. So tell me what you guys want to know about, hear about, listen to, you know, as you guys go through your normal day. Okay? All right. Take care.